What is up, weather enthusiasts? I'm your host, Pat's Path Predictor. Let's get right into the weather. Alright, so this is the situation we have right here. So there were several large tornadoes that touched down Wisconsin. So we're going to go ahead and go over this as well as look at some of the images, some of the videos of the damage, as well as the tornado going through. But before we do, we need to understand the context of this. So a moderate risk was issued around 1:30 in the afternoon for this area. Actually, no, it was no, that's 11:30. I apologize. So yeah, moderate risk of severe weather was issued around 11:30 for much of southern central Wisconsin right here. As you go down, the tornado threat was at 15% risk with a hatched area, which means that yesterday there was a 15% risk of tornadoes of EF2 to EF5 strength or more happening within a point. So there's nothing more than EF5, but you get the picture. Yeah, and then we had the damaging wind graph. There was a 45% chance with a hatched area which means there's a 45% chance of 75 miles per hour winds happening within 25 miles of a point. Hail threat was also particularly high, around 30% with that hatched area, 30% with 2-inch hail or more than 25 miles of a point. So that's just the context of this right here, and this is what happened. So multiple tornado touchdowns reported in parts of Wisconsin. Numerous areas see damage. Tornado touchdowns were reported near Tomah and Mauston, according to the NWS and La Crosse. The agency sent a preliminary team to Tomah on Wednesday night to survey the damage. More crews will head out to Monroe and Juneau counties Thursday morning. So we have this right here, this tweet right here from Trey Greenwood right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this image right here. Like, look at this. Like, this is the tornado right here that hit Tomah, Wisconsin right here. This is an impressive image we have from this, and yeah, that's a good. So yeah, that's the situation we have right here. And we had at the news report Wednesday night, the Monroe County Sheriff's Office said tornado was reported east of Tomah around 4 p.m. The apparent tornado head northeast for 15 miles until it left the county, damaging homes and knocking down trees and power lines, the sheriff's office said. Richard Lee, the village president of Oakdale, saw what he said was a tornado on the ground near the village. So that's an interesting situation. Let's go ahead. We actually have video for you. Chasers snag amazing footage of the Wisconsin tornado. This was put on the Weather Channel's website. I'll leave a link to that down below so you can read the whole thing. But let's go ahead and go over this because, yeah, this is a very interesting situation that happened. So, yeah, severe weather moved through Monroe County, Wisconsin. The storm chasers captured tornado on camera near Tomah. This is it right here. Like, it's kind of hard to see because it's rain wrapped, but it's it looks very interesting to look at the lightnings flashing around on it. So yeah, this is very interesting. The line of damaging storms extended from northern Wisconsin all the way into Iowa. Yep, there was a lot of storms going on. We actually had some pretty decent tornadic signatures that happened in parts of Wisconsin as well. The one that hit Tomah, there was a very impressive structural radar. It was a good debris ball. There's the tornado right there. If we go behind these trees, okay, these trees are in the way, but this is a very interesting tornado. Like, as you can see, it's like, we can go back on this. Oh, there we go. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty rain wrapped right here, so it's kind of difficult to see the tornado structure, like the tornado itself, but it's rain wrapped. It's there. Tomah is about 200 miles northwest of Milwaukee. So yeah, that's the situation. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at the tornado. That is something you do not see every day in Wisconsin, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, that's some interesting video. We have some photos of the damage as well right here. We got some tree damages. Trees have been uprooted. We got a few homes that have been damaged as well. So that's basically what we have. We have some footage of the damage. Like, a lot of trees got downed. Like, look at this. Like, these trees, like right here, man. Like, that's the kind of power that these tornadoes have. Now we're gonna have to wait to see what they rate this stuff here. But yeah, down trees, down power lines. Like, yeah, there's like tens of thousands of people still without power. These trees are blocking the railroads, and there's people here even cutting the trees down right here because it's blocking the road. So yeah, that's an interesting situation. Like, so yeah, they cut this tree down. Like, look at some of this as well. Like, as well. And there's a house that's been a house. Actually, this tree damaged a house. So that's a very interesting situation to look at. We have more right here. Like, take a look at this. We're gonna go ahead and pull up this video as soon as I can skip this ad. But this is an interesting situation to take a look at. But look at this. Let's actually. Okay, never mind. Let's go ahead and go back into this. Pause it. See if we can find it. Yeah, right here. Like, look at the damage right here. That's
shattered
like,
windows
wow.
at a hotel.
Like, look at the damage. That's the roof there is pretty much shredded. That's got to be EF2 strength right there that hit that. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see what they rate this right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this.
The roof out front.
Southwest
yeah, like,
of there,
like some of this is some of these areas like the damage wasn't too bad or anything like that. In most areas, we had some very large and very powerful tornadoes. They put out a PDS tornado warning on this yesterday. So yeah, I wanted to make this video kind of talking about that, discussing that, as well as taking a look at the damage, because like if we take a look at the tornado, this looks pretty rain wrapped right here. We have a little bit of minor damage, like this traffic sign right here. Just it's not that much damage per se, but yeah. But when we take a look at stuff like that, just we need to pay attention. Like, tornadoes are so unpredictable; they can really intensify and then just calm down in an instant. So that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I want to talk about this as this was a very big situation that happened, and I didn't really get a chance to report on it being a moderate risk yesterday, so I do apologize for that, but I wanted to make this video kind of talking about the Wisconsin tornadoes, because you don't see giant tornadoes like that every day in the upper Midwest. You don't see that. You have to see good enough conditions for that to happen. I'm sure that, like, I've looked at the Cape, and the Cape was pretty good up there for tornadoes like this. But that's gonna wait for another time. I'll update you guys when they finally rate these things. But with that being said, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. It helps me out. It helps me make more videos like these. The goal of this channel is to get more people engaged with weather, and I hope I am doing it with these videos. But with that being said, guys, have a wonderful day. Hit the red subscribe button and stay safe.